Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about the specific immune response of the immune system, specifically the humoral response. Here we have an antigen and an antibody. We'll talk about the antigen a little bit first. Antigens have specific proteins on its surface. When antigens invade our body, we get sick. To fight these antigens, our bodies produce antibodies. Our bodies only produce antibodies to what we are infected by. Antibodies are proteins, but their structure is very important. The top of the Y has different shapes. The shape of the top portion of the antibody corresponds to the shape of the protein, of the antigen. This allows the antibody to bind to the antigen and prevent it from doing its job. There are two types of lymphocytes. There are B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. These are also known as B cells and T cells. We will talk about the T lymphocytes in another section. Today we will focus on the B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes are made and mature in the bone marrow. They are in charge of the humoral response, and they produce antibodies. The humoral response happens when there are antigens free in the body. The B cells sense the antigen and produce antibodies for the antigen. They also produce memory B cells in case the antigen infects the body again. This is a second line of defense. Let's recap. The humoral response occurs when antigens are free in the humors of the body. B cells produce antibodies with specific shapes that correspond to the shapes of the proteins of the antigens. When they bind, they disrupt the antigen function, and they produce memory cells to fight future infections. I hope this was helpful. Until next time.